here at ISTE. We are teching our heart out.
She was my first teacher. Fun.
I came to transform my classroom with technology and maker. I've gained so much knowledge, so many cool ideas. ISTE was super dope.
It's not enough just to collect data. It's not enough just to invest in automation or AI or machine learning. If we're not also asking the more difficult human question, which is, what is the world that we want to live in?
Our definition of what education means permeates every single decision we make about children, their resources, and their access to technology.
This has really been a really successful ISTE for me, so I just couldn't be happier. And this isn't goodbye, it's just so long, because I will definitely be at ISTE next year. Time to go. See you later.